I'm gonna demonstrate for you how you could do a single arm row using things that you have around the house. This is just a small jug of laundry detergent. You could also use like a big insulated cup. If having liquid in them isn't hard enough, you could load them up with something like sand or rocks, or you could even do something like a duffel bag that has some weight in it. But we'll just demonstrate with this jug. So for the single arm row, I'm gonna do it with my hand supported on a chair. And what that does is it'll allow me to hinge forward, but it'll just act as a little bit more support. So you're gonna start with your arm hanging low, and we're focusing on utilizing these muscles on the side here. I'm gonna roll my shoulder back, and then I'm gonna focus on bringing that jug up towards my waist. So what you don't wanna do is you don't wanna be bringing it towards the chest where all that shrugging's happening. To really utilize the muscles correctly, you wanna bring it towards the waist. Again, to adjust the difficulty, you can load up this jug with something heavier, or again, load up something like a duffel bag with heavier items like canned goods.